Yo guys, it's Badger here, and today we have a look at this little piece from Kate Spade. It's been a while since we actually looked at something from Kate Spade, but I had to pick this up when I saw it to give it away as a gift, and then I thought, well, I might as well share with you guys. The presentation is already really great, just as Kate Spade does it always. They never, yeah, never make you disappointed, that's for sure. So here's our little um, wallet. It's more like a card holder, and it's not an actual wallet. Nothing underneath here. Still, it comes packaged quite nicely. We're liking the box, and we got this pink metallic glitterish look. We got a gold branding on the bottom as always. Pretty minimal, but still really nice looking. And as you can see, we have some room to fit in our cards like credit, debit, whatever. Um, so feel free to throw those in here. And then I really do like the gold branding. I think mostly I saw silver brandings, so that's kind of exciting to see. And then we also got some room in the middle where you could throw in whatever, and then some tags, some crap, so that's not going to be as exciting. Pricing is okay, I guess. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much all we can say, but looking really nice, really crisp, really beautiful, and that's gonna be it for you today, guys. So take care, and until next time.